Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mint drink with Sprite. Gather fresh mint, lime, sugar, Sprite, ice, and a muddler. Start by rinsing leaves, tearing them gently, and muddling with sugar and lime to release oils. Add ice, pour Sprite slowly to preserve fizz, and stir once. Garnish with a sprig of mint and a lime wedge. Serve immediately and enjoy the bright, fizzy flavor today. Measure 8 to 10 mint leaves per drink and half a lime for brightness. Use 1 teaspoon sugar or simple syrup to balance acidity. Muddle gently to avoid bitterness and release fragrant oils. Chill glasses beforehand and use large ice cubes to slow dilution. Pour Sprite cold and add it last to keep fizz. Taste and adjust sweetness, then garnish with mint sprig and lime wheel for a fresh finish. Try variations like adding cucumber slices, a splash of cranberry juice, or 1 Oz Light rum for a cocktail version. For a zero sugar option, use diet Sprite and reduce sugar or skip it entirely. If drink turns bitter, avoid overmuddling or remove stems. To fix flat Sprite, use freshly opened cans and pour over ice. For stronger mint, bruise leaves instead of a full muddle and serve chilled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.